Mina ngumZulu ngowasempangeni ubaba wengane yami uyahamba izokondliwa ubani. Ususidakelwa wena ususidakelwa leyo ngane sizophila ngo510 rand kahulumeni. Uma uhlulwa yilokho fusek landela isoka lakho uyogana wena kukahle impela wasekhaya kwaZulu. KwaZulu akugani indoda kugana umfazi uzosiza ke. Siza mama ke empangeni phakamani nithathe nangumntwana niyomshadisa mahala eMalawi. Wenza iphutha waqoma la kungalotsholwa nakho akahambe ngempela ke manje hamba dadewethu hamba ogana ngeke phela sithi sixosha thina abantu abasimoshela izwe nina nivikela ukuthi ngoba banesende anizosidakelwa niyasidakelwa ke manje hamba naye vele besikade kusamele khona vele sibuyele emuva siyokhipha abashana mangabe ukuthi kanjani. Uyabona ke ngoba senenza kanje hambani nabo nonke nanobani osacabanga ukuthi ethi yena ubaba wengane yakhe kanjani sasingekho niqomana sasingekho nishelana sizufela into esingayazi thina azufela into esingayazi ke thina. Yeni nayi South Africa sidakelwa kahle nina nicabanga ukuthi leli izwe lafetshelwa ne nisifilisa nje ngokusigqisha umuntu enqene nifuna sikhulume ngaso sonke isikhathi. Umuntu onengane eMalawi onengane eNigeria akahambe nobaba wengane yakhe.
Mzansi jikelele bantwana basekhaya ayiqalile iTikTok yami yangibaseli lokho engilethele ama-South African yabona manje okay Feri yazini ngicela ukuthi ngibuze something, just a quick question. Nangusisi my sister uthi yena unabantwana abayi-3 umuntu ombonisa uthanda umuntu waseMalawi yena uzobalwela abantwana abafana base-South Africa izinja what abantu baseMalawi mabahlale because uyi umuntu wambonisa uthando yena unabantwana abayi-3 bantwana basekhaya. Ladies why must the country pay for your choices? Angithi mawukhetha lamadoda lawo akumithise kayi-3 or indoda eyi-1 or amadoda ayi-3 because the way ukhuluma khona ngathi amadoda different wase-South Africa. Why labo bantu labo awubakhethelanga eSouth Africa? iSouth Africa zange iziholde ilanga lokuvota sivotela amadoda azokumithisa. So why mase sebakushiyile bakulacaza kumele ukuthi iSouth Africa ibhadalele lokho ngokuthi ihlalisa ama-foreign loyo okuthande nabantwana bakho abayi-3 ngoba vele uyayidinga i-ID ayikho into azoyiyenza udinga wena ne-ID yakho khona ukuthi umhambele phambili. So vele uzobabonisa abathando labantwana laba bakho abayi-3 ababa ama-South African. Eyokucalile uzothi abantwana amadoda ase-South African awa-maintain abantwana asisi khona bobaba abanakekela abantwana babo ngama-weekend banabantwana babo emagroundini ngakuphi sihamba nabantwana bethu emamolini siyabanakekela siya-maintaina. Khona bobaba kungukuthi abababona abantwana babo marimali bayayithumela bayaba-maintaina abantwana babo. Ama-choice wakho wendoda awasi-fault ye-South Africa wakhetha. Angithi nina labafana laba bamabhruko wase-Pick n Pay Clothing anibafuni? Angithi anibafuni? Nifuna laba abafaka i-G-Star abafaka ama-replay laba bahamba phansi izinja zempilo laba abashaya amakhathi ama-yellow bone izinja. Yabona lo mbona uthi lo mfana angazi ungenzani lo mfana manje ngimbona. Angithi ngifuna labo manje basesekadlile umntana enkosi wadla phansi wakushiya so ufuna ukuthi ublame thina for ukuthi ukhethwe uwe. Whereas lo owe-Pick n Pay Clothing obekakuthanda obekafuna nakhe into from foundation phase nikhuphuke nayo nifike nakhe a big castle uthe awumfuni uthe bheka ugqoka snacks kanjani hayi lo akanamali hayi lo slow up usho kanjalo. Manje ke ngoba ukhethe i-fast yakho seyikubulala nayo fast relax asiswami. Mawungazifundisa ukuthi uza-associate nabantu aba-right. Ngibone nalabantu abalokhu ba-commenta ngale show le abathi yini konje le ebeyiloku the polygamist. Amantombazane sewabhizi amadoda izinja yazi there's no price for being a good woman sisi khona amadoda ashadile nabafazi babo abahappy. Bakhona abantu aba-right just because wena ube nama-experience abad ngalama-choice ayenziwe. Lo muntu ukushelile wafakwa uwe ufakwe uwe uyi-choice yakho wena. Mangabe awukhoni ukuspotha ama-red flag ujabulela nje ukushelwa bese uyavuma. uzolimala and then masolimela ufuna ukublame ination yonke yamadoda. Khona amadoda anabafazi babo bahappy, khona amadoda anakekela imizi yawo, khona amadoda anakekela abafazi babo, khona amadoda anakekela ama-girlfriend wabo, khona amadoda yenza izinto, khona amadoda eneniyangixaka nithi hey amadoda useless, indoda mina I don't even want to see her man. Masostake freeway maseyimi indoda angeke umtshela ukuthi hayi I don't want to see a man, ngicela uhambe. Siku bhuti wami ngiyabonga ukuthi ungisize bese ngixakeke. Uyaqala ubanjwe inkunzi ebumnyameni ubalekela kumadoda ongawazi ukukhona ukuzifihla ngendoda ongayo ngicela ningisize mara at the same time amadoda izinja, amadoda amafuni, amadoda bafethu bafazi, take accountability, ibani neqiniso. Indoda iyadingeka, indoda iyi-must, indoda ifuna ukuhlonishwa. And the same time nathi majida abafazi bayadingeka, abafazi siyabathanda, abafazi badinga ukuprotectwa, abafazi badinga ukuprovidelwa. So thina esenza into right asiqhubekeni ngokwenza into right. Laba abangayenzi into right niyazazi majimbuzi, sicela ukuthi nishaye reverse ni correct situation yini so that labantwana laba bakanje bazoyekela ukuba ne-ammunition inyana edom ekungukuthi ayikho for ukuthi country safarela amakwerekwere anganamaphepha. Siyacela hayi kabi bosisi bethu ngiyanithanda ningangizwa kabi ne. Thank you botata.
Yabona bafethu seningamane ningibize xenophobic, the xenophobe, Afrophobe. But mina, if I meet a woman and she tells me ukuthi she's dated a foreigner, ebona le genge le egcwele nje yaba amakhalanga namanyasa athuke wathola nekirimani, Zimbabwe, Malawi, Congolese, Nigeria, I just lose interest baba. Kuba ngathi kune funeral edladleni. Once you just telling me bafethu yabona le genge egcwele, mina bafethu, call me whatever, Afrophobe, but mina if I were to get married on a wedding night or day, the pastor is about to say, do you, Khumalo Thamsanqa, take her as your lawfully wedded wife? And somebody whispers in my ear, athi mfethu, she once dated a Nigerian, a Congolese, a Malawi, West Africa. Baba, I will interrupt that session. Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention? This wedding ceremony is no longer here or there in the near future. It is now a party, the great reveal. And I'm so indebted to my friend here, or maybe ngengisho, Sachinja, Nyaprekulula. I'm out. I once met this woman. She was a makeup artist. I was doing a campaign, a West Africa campaign, Golden Spark. I did a lot of them. The makeup artist, African girl, curvaceous, bumps. We clicked. I was the lead. Once she said my ex-boyfriend is from Cameroon, I flipped. Now you're among us. What has changed? Ufana nomunye engajola naye. Unye sister nje wazala as ambassadors from East Europe. I don't want to say the country, man, because she'll find out. She's still around. Wasn't Bariak yashona. But mahlala yena ke la unenxuso. So mina oil nje manje inxuso ngiyangithrow nya oil. So she's from East Europe. So wayengibuza ngelinye ilanga sekadakiyo shaya hot stuff. Uthi darling, will you marry me? Bafethu ngahlani. And I just found out kulawo malanga ukuthi she once dated a Congolese, ex is from Congo. Ngathi never. Ngathi you know what? You have everything I hate in a woman. Now what? You have everything I hate in a woman. In fact, she flipped. Kancane what? Ngathi unomntwana uyaphuza. Nabantwana futhi abayi2 uyaphuza. You've been married before. You're saying your husband was abusive. You still want to get married. Give us a chance, man. Give others a chance. Angeke bafethu. Ngapha you've dated a Congolese. Ngamtshela ngathi you white people, you don't know. Thina majita sekasi. blacks. Once a woman has dated a foreigner, we don't want that woman anymore. So, angeke bafethu. Mina never. You know, it's like when God was making men out of clay somewhere, the devil said, you know what, I'm going to rival God. La, ngizoyenza ama-Nigerian, but before that, I'm showing shortly, just nje, umzekeliso, ukusampula. Ngizoqala ngama-Zimbabweans. Yo, ngoba hayi bafethu angeke. Nabotshela basekasifana ukuthi no, you know, these guys have got big dicks now. It's not about that. These mfethu ilwane lezi. That's why amaZulu bawabiza ngeyilwane, athi ilwane. Originally it meant them. Hayi bafethu angeke mina. Nomunye nje ngokuthi she's an attorney, born 93. Uzoyazi ke makayibona le video. Athi darling, me and you could be a power couple. Ukuthi attorney own a law firm, futhi it's even worse. Unengcoshi nebhari yabo Cameroon, Ghana. Hayi. Cabanga sokufika inxusi. I want my child. I mina nginabhari ezofika mfethu la ngihlala khona. Ithi ufuna umntwana nayo noma kuhlangana kuphi. Never. Qala ka mina ngiyambuza umntwana. Any ex, any past that no, I'm single. Mntwana, no, akunamntwana. Me and you are going forward. Once I look at, I used to date this guy. Ngiyaqala ngiyaminus ama-point. This guy I used to date minus ama-point. Ngiyabheshuka. Ngizona masimba mina. But if a woman tells me ukuthi she once dated I'm a foreigner, uMaputo, I just lose interest. Angeke la marenza webhari mfethu. Yazi kuba ngathi kunefuneral edladle ngiyachange. Efana nokuthi umntana athi yo my baby daddy kunomunye engihlangene naye 2000 noma ngathi my daughter yo yazi bafethu la ngathi ngikhabwe imbongolo la kube ngathi ngikhabwe imbongolo mfethu yazi into engikwate wena ekareni makathi no my daughter I didn't know mina I'm busy dating. Angeke bafethu nomunye nje one Indian lady, she's 28 this year. She's 28 just turned 28 January 27 28 somewhere there. Makathi 2 kids yo and mfethu umuntu wakhona umbuzo ukuthi why did you leave the father of your kid? That no, this guy abused me, kicked me when I was pregnant with my second child. You made baby number 1 2 for this guy. What does it say about you? You're useless. Never. You are from Ghana, Gambia, Sierra Leone to come make me a stepdad la. I'm fit. Abona mangabe unemate inenxusi nekhalanga. Abona lezi amakirimana amanyasa. Ayi we proper ngiyakutshela ke mina we last number yibhari. From la iJose Msawawa. Ayi thina bafethu ayi. Asingeni. Namagregamba. Ifana nomntwana mfethu ugcwele emajwaleni. Mwana amajwaleni ngaswahawo, kwarona kawufela. Umntwana asematshwaleni uphuza utshwala, mfethu ngama weekend akuso wakho wethu sonke mfethu. Abahlangana namajita mfethu abafakela. I've never seen a woman, whether she's married or not, denying drinks coming from strangers. Futhi lezi abo Cameroonian, they come, these drinks they're spiked already because nabo chireba papa, they just take freebies. Before she knows it, uvuke somewhere. I mean, I've dated about 4 women. By my freebies. They woke up somewhere. And it's torture. Once a woman tells you, baby, even if before you were there, it tortures you because I'm a solver. I'm a problem solver. You're now indebted. But said, no, it doesn't matter. No, it matters. Why did you tell me? It matters. I'm now involved. Because I don't know why am I peace layout. No, it doesn't matter. Adagi, from spike. Baning, think one, let me count them. 1 colored, 2 colored, they were spiked. 1 darky, Ninyangamla, Nomunyo was Eastern Cape 5. I've dated 5 women. 5 women. Muntakonati, they were raped. Some by their exes. Some spiked. And the woman to jail. I don't know whether counseling, I'm not insensitive. But if you tell me, we must find a solution. Whether it happens before I arrived or not. They said, no, it doesn't matter. Where's that guy? So he's somewhere in Pretoria. Why don't you open a case? Well, no, it doesn't matter. Phela mina sengicabanga inkabi yabona kuhlela kunale pain ukuthi esankunawutheka ginger medium. It happens. It's not supposed to ukuthi yabona, yeah, but it happens, because we are human beings. And I know which it will sound otherwise, It's like your daughter. Actually, when I was 5, I was once raped. No matter through the years, even if she's 50, as a guy, you want to go back and solve that problem and still ngale yabo. Mangabe kumele kuthengwa abantu. So nabothini ngakutshela umuntu just for sweet bokoro, Yeah, but mina bafethu le amakhawuza. Mina bafethu ngiyashilo ekhawuza mfethu. Shamntwana one nekhawuza. Call me xenophobe, afrophobe, whatever phobe. Never. Ntro mntwana one ex yekhawuza. Ubafeni.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Nginabosesi lababili loyiwani umZulu loyiwani umXhosa labahleli lapha ne-share ward bahlaliswe indaba yokuthi they have kids with Malawians and they're saying ukuthi beva buhlungu ngoba abantu babo bayabaqosha, and the Xhosa lady was even saying ukuthi yena una 3 bantwana and bantu bala Mzansi bayidodi nje bafana bala Mzansi bayidodi badlale ngaye, yena wathanzwa umuntu waseMalawi uyamnakekela nebantwana bakhe, so uyashuka ukuthi ulala laphana cause uyamthanza. And people are calling these ladies out ukuthi ba must sell out, so they are selling this country ngengcuza because bafuna ukugana amadoda ngaphandle. And people are saying ukuthi ayibo, this thing is simple, ngavele nihambe nebantu benu niyohlala nabo eMalawi instead of ukuthi nithi nina sithengise live sihlalise ma-illegal foreigners because nina nebantwana nawo. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out.